You can create custom windows easily. Use the polyline tool to draw the outline of the window on the wall face. Move the cursor inside the window outline, and when the boundary is highlighted, choose Create Window from the quad. The available window styles are shown in a dialog box. Move your cursor over the window design of your choice and left-click it. The window is automatically created. You can create a custom window from a wall boundary. Select face of the outer wall and use the Offset tool from the quad. Move the cursor to resize the new boundary or key in a value and press Enter. Then highlight the offset boundary and select Create Window from the quad. Once again, the available window styles are shown in a dialog box.